Sound cards, especially old creative models, are notorious for how they don't like sharing the computer's resources with other hardware, leading to what's known as the dreaded IRQ problems. To fix this issue, here are some troubleshooting methods you can try. Theoretically, you cannot control IRQs yourself, and the official suggestion to remove a piece of software seems like the only viable option. So, the first step is removing a piece of hardware, which is the sound card itself. But first, go to Device Manager, go to your Sound section, disable Sound Output Device, and once you're done doing that, shut down your PC, turn off its power supply, then unscrew and unplug your sound card. Once done, try placing it back again or restart. Now you would have to repeat the process until the problem is solved. But when your sound card works with no issues, it is best to visit its manufacturer's site, then download and install any latest available drivers. So that's what you should do to fix the IRQ problems with your sound card. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.